Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. I am so excited for today's video because we're going to be unboxing my May BOXYCHARM box, and I'm so excited. They changed the packaging. It's a little bit thicker and a little shorter, and I'm really excited just for what the products in this month's box are. So if you guys are excited to see what's in this month's box, then just go ahead and keep watching. So I'm going to go ahead and open this up. The theme for this month is Make Waves, and it's got all the products on the back of the little card thing. So we're going to go ahead and get right into the first product. I am so excited that we got this. This is insane. It's huge, and I'm pretty sure this brand is super expensive. I guess it's not as expensive as I thought. So the first product we got is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. This is such a beautiful package. It looks so stunning. It's really large. Like, I'm surprised it even fit in the box. It like barely fits, but this is so exciting. Glam Glow is an incredible brand. I thought it was really expensive, which it's $28, so it is a little bit up there in price, but I thought it would be even more than that. But this is what the packaging looks like. It's so stunning. I'm not going to be putting this on right now in the video, obviously. It's a gentle cleanser, but I will be using this on my face for the next little while and see how I like it. And if I like it, then I will definitely update you guys on it. But this looks incredible. Let me read you a little bit of what it says about the product. This daily gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLS free for all skin types. So this is really cool. I'm really excited. So awesome that we got this in this box. Glam Glow is a super prestige skincare brand, and they have incredible masks. So that's really cool that we got this in this month's box. So the next products are face and eye products. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to go ahead and do my foundation, my concealer, my powder, and I will be right back to show you guys the next product. Okay, I'm back and my base is on. I've got my foundation, concealer, powder, and my bronzer on. We are going to go into the next product, which is probably the product that I'm most excited about in this box. This is the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio in Fair Light. This is what the packaging looks like. It's so stunning. And it comes with a mirror inside and the 3 blush shades, which color am I going to use today? I think I'm going to use, let's just mix them. Let's mix all 3 of them. I'm so excited about this product. This blush trio retails for $22, which is really great for the 3 blushes all together. That's about $7 each. So I'm literally just dipping into all 3 of these. They look really pigmented, so I'm just gonna, ooh. Whoa, that's so pretty. Oh my goodness. I love these blushes. Oh my goodness. And they have a little bit of a sheen to them. I'm so shook. This is beautiful. I'm definitely going to be putting this on my desk, which is where I keep the most used makeup. I am obsessed with that. That is so beautiful. I love the formula of it. I'm so excited right now. So excited. While I'm here, I'm going to pop on a little bit of highlight. This is not from the BOXYCHARM. Obviously, I'm just going to pop on some of my MAC Hyper Real Glow highlighting palette. I have it in the shade. It's the pinkier of the 2. I'm just going to mix the first 2 shades. Right here on my cheekbones. Oh yeah. Okay, so the next product in this month's box is so exciting. So I always look in the box before I use it, and just to see what products I'm going to need to put on before the video and everything like that. And when I saw this product, I nearly died. This is the Eye Luster from Ciate London, and this is in the shade Cupid. This is the most stunning. I don't it's just, I don't even know what to say. Like, it's so beautiful. I don't know if you can even tell on camera what this looks like. I'm going to go ahead and zoom you guys in because we're going to be putting it on the eyes. Hello, I have zoomed you in. This is what the color looks like. I don't know if you can see it a little bit up closer. It's got purples, pinks, lots of gold shimmer in it. It is so beautiful. I cannot wait. Okay, so what I am going to do before I go into eyeshadows is I'm going to prime my eyelids with my Urban Decay Primer Potion, just really quickly. And I'm gonna set it down with a little bit of powder. And I'm just gonna go in with a little bit of my bronzer right here. This is the City Bronzer from Maybelline. And now we're gonna go in with this shade. Let me go ahead and swatch it for you guys on my hand so you guys can see what this looks like. It is truly the most stunning thing I've ever seen. I don't know if you can see. Do you see that? It's like a pink purple right here, and then it's all gold. I love it. I love it so much. So I think I'm just going to do this like all over the lid. See how that works. We're going to try it out. I don't know. Maybe I'll blend it out with a brush. Do one eye at a time. I'm going to blend it out with a brush. Ooh. So pretty. I'm gonna put just a little more on the center. Tap it out with my finger. Oh my goodness. Are you for real? That's so beautiful. Okay, I'm gonna do the same thing on this eye. Oh my goodness. So stunning. So stunning. And this product retails for $22 as well. So excited about this product. I'm gonna have to keep playing around with it. It is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. So pretty. Okay, so the eyes are looking really nice and sparkly and pretty. I'm gonna keep you guys zoomed in because the next product is also something for the eyes. This is the Bodyography Emerald Eye Pencil. This retails for $14. This is what it looks like, and a little swatch of it right here. So I'm going to try and put this on my waterline. We have had Bodyography products in the past, and I believe they didn't have the best pigment, but I'm just going to try and put this on my waterline. See how that works. It did okay. Okay, I put that on my waterline. It wasn't the easiest thing to put on, but at the same time it wasn't too bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put on some mascara, zoom you guys back out for the last product, and I will see you in a second. Okay, so I've got my mascara on. I just used the Lancome Monsieur Big mascara, and we are moving on to the final product, which is something I'm also so excited about. This is the Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Truffle. This retails for $18. It is so beautiful. I'm so excited. Their packaging is one of my absolute favorites. It's very frosty and is glass, I believe. I think it's glass. Maybe it's plastic, like a harder plastic. But regardless, I'm really excited to put this on my lips. I'm going to grab a lip liner that's going to match. Let's try this one. This is the Glow Minerals Precision Lip Pencil, which I cannot use because it is not sharpened, and I'm not going to go get something right now because I don't want it. I'm going to use my Mary Kay lip liner. I don't know the shade because it's rubbed off. So there's that. But I'm just going to line my lips really quickly with this. Okay, I put on that lip liner, and now we're going to go in with the Truffle shade. Ooh, this is like a perfect match for this lip liner. Okay, so I just put that lip color on, and I think I want to add just a little bit more of this eyeshadow to the eye just to give it a little bit more of a pop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be careful because I just put on my mascara. But I'm going to take it and I'm going to find a flat shader brush and just kind of swipe it across the eye. Add it on. There we go. That looks so stunning. I love this look so much. I even like the pop of green on my inner corner. I'm going to go ahead and pop Now I'm gonna go ahead and look up the overall price of these products for you guys really quickly, so let me check that out. So the overall value of this month's box is $104, which is incredible because you pay $21 for the box. This is probably my favorite box that you've ever gotten, which is crazy because we've gotten so many good things in the past boxes, but I love everything that we got. I am obsessed with this cream eyeshadow. My hair is looking wild. I'm obsessed with that cream eyeshadow. I think it is so beautiful. Another thing that I'm so excited about is the blush palette because you guys know how much I love blushes and this formula is incredible. I love the lip product. I think it is so beautiful. What else did we get? The Glam Glow mask and then the eyeliner, which is incredible. I love all of these products and I think they are so great. So worth the $21. Even if you don't like all of these products, you pay $21. So yeah guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up before you leave. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Once you have subscribed, please make sure to turn on the little bell notification so you're notified anytime I upload a video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.